Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today I would like to show you how to create this flowchart easily in a Canva. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit the small like button and subscribe to my channel, as it really helps to keep creating content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. So, I'm just adding a page, elements, shapes, just moving around a bit and holding a shift to changing a size with the original ratio. That's important because if I didn't hold the shift, as you can see, I also changing the ratio of the element, but delete. But if I duplicate it again and holding a shift, moving to right, moving to left, up and down, only the size is changing, the ratio is fixed. So this is a very nice small feature in the Canva. So if I just duplicate to here and duplicate again to move into here, and just changing the color to some gradient ones to have a bit nicer view of this chart. So if I going back to the shapes, I can add these arrows. I just connect into the one square, other square, and just doing the same with the second one. And it's important to connect them with the dots, because in this case, if I'm moving, you can see the line is also moving together with the element. But as you can see, we have a straight line. Here we had only vertical and horizontal lines, which is important if you create a proper flowchart where only linear and with only this horizontal and vertical lines are allowed. And I will show you something. If I'm moving my square, you can see all those lines are moving accordingly, which is very important. So how can we do it? So I just delete those squares and lines and click on duplicate, move into here, duplicate again, move into here, duplicate again. No, sorry, my bad. I have to duplicate. Right click on the element and enable quick flow. And if I click on the square, you can see now already 4 additional items are added. You can see drag line from shape. Here also, here also, here also. And I can do it one more to here. And if I want, again, I can change the colors just for fun. But now it's not that important, but just why not? To the blue. But as you can see, all the lines moving on the way how we want it before. Might be not in the best way. So if I just delete those two, so for him I just moving to right, up, and yes, now it's much nicer. But this is the key. So right click, now it's disabling it. And if I add a new element like this star, as you can see, we do not have this arrows around it. But if I click on the element, right click, enable quick flow, again, I will have it. And the system recognizes it two different charts, so not mixing them. When changing the size also for here. And actually we also can change the color, which is also pretty nice idea. So if you would like to create a proper flowchart in Canva, this is the way. Right click on the element and disable, actually enable quick flow, and you will have these 4 arrows, and you can create when you adding any direction, the 2 elements will be connected, and if you moving if you moving the element, or even if you moving the line, the elements will also moving. And as you can see, this line, which is not selected but connected to this element, which is connected to the line what I'm moving, is also moving together. That's a pretty nice nice function. Now you can create this flowchart much easier than before. Hope so I can have with this small trick in a Canva. But now this tutorial is going to the end. Hope so you like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit the small like button, subscribe to my channel, leave comment in the comment section if you're struggling anything in a Canva, and I try to answer as soon as possible. Please also visit my Facebook page. You can find a link in the description, where you can find another great Canva tutorials, not only from me, also from another great Canva experts. Plus you can find a bunch of text to image generation prompts for different kind of AI applications. So if you also interested in this area, please feel free to check my Facebook page. As I mentioned before, you can find the link in the description. And in the description, you can also find the link for my new Instagram and TikTok page, where you can find lots of shorts video also about Canva, nice short Canva tutorials. And if you're checking it, that's highly appreciated. But now this tutorial really going to end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.